the village that disappeared overnight, the Anjikuni Lake Mystery. Imagine arriving at a quiet village in the frozen wilderness. The houses are still there. Food is still cooking. But every single person is gone. No footprints. No signs of struggle. This is the chilling mystery of the disappearance near Anjikuni Lake. The discovery. In 1930, a fur trapper named Joe Labelle traveled through the remote Canadian wilderness. He arrived at a small Inuit village he had visited many times before. But this time something was wrong. The village was completely silent. Inside the huts, meals were left unfinished. Tools and weapons were still lying where they had been used. Yet the villagers were gone. The strange evidence. According to the story, several strange things were discovered. Sled dogs were found starved and frozen. Graves in the cemetery were allegedly opened. No footprints leading away from the village. In a place covered in snow, that made the mystery even stranger. The investigation. The case was reportedly passed to the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. But when they searched the area, they found very little evidence confirming the story, which made the mystery even more confusing. Theories. Over the years, many theories appeared. Some believed the villagers fled because of a natural disaster. Others suggested they moved to another hunting area. And some people believe something far stranger happened. Strange lights in the sky were reportedly seen by travelers around that time. But here is the most disturbing part of the mystery. Many historians believe the entire story may have been exaggerated or misreported, meaning the real truth may never be known. So the question remains, did an entire village really vanish overnight? Or is the real mystery how the story became one of the strangest legends in history